Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate influencer marketing with AspireIQ, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AspireIQ account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab located in the main menu. Select Create New Campaign to start the automation process. Input your campaign name in the designated field. Choose your campaign goals from the available options. Next, define your target audience. You can select specific demographics, interests, or locations based on your brand's needs. After that, set your budget for the campaign. Decide whether you want a one-time payment or ongoing collaborations. Now, move to the Influencer Search feature. Use filters to refine your search according to niche, reach, and engagement rates. Review the list of potential influencers that match your criteria. Once you've found suitable influencers, add them to your campaign. Next, you can send personalized outreach messages. Customize your message to make a strong connection. After sending, monitor the responses in the outreach section. Once influencers accept your collaboration, move on to the content brief. Craft a detailed brief outlining your expectations, guidelines, and deadlines. Share the brief with the influencers you've selected. After sharing, wait for their content submissions. Review each submission to ensure it aligns with your campaign goals. Once approved, schedule the content for posting. Finally, track the performance of your campaign using the Analytics dashboard. Utilize these insights to optimize future influencer collaborations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.